something, Reds.
This is Absolute Red, reporting live from the WC passageway. The rounds are going through. We look like we're going to pass. Here's our Kelly Stoker, C.B. Smith. What an ugly looking specimen.
I don't think you could say that to anybody, Red.
I just did.
Thank you, Overseer Brad. It's very naval. What's this?
I don't know.
One fill.
Oh, fish. Fish.
Yeah, that's a good shot.
Snapper. Blue Lydia. The aftermath. Let's see what we've got on. Your haircut looks good from here, mate. Yeah? It's a bit spiky today. It's probably because it's had its dose of salt and sun.
Have you met Trevor? Say hello to Trevor.
Trevor won't come out of the cage. I tried to get him out before.
Come on, Trevor.
It's too hard trying to get him while he's still in the cage. I did that and he bit me.
Come on, get on.
Yeah, see, Trevor will come out of his cage.
Yeah, try and chase the gun. Yeah, Trevor.
Now he's on Pommy's knee.
There you go.
Trevor is a cub, isn't he?
Let's go. Try this manual shit, which is the one there.
What's the matter? Little old buddy, eh? Little old buddy? What are you doing there? What's this over here? What's this? What's this? Hey. What's this?
Manual focus.
What's this? Trevor? What?
Yeah, it's too close to him.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
It's offspring. Adjusts. It's offspring.
Recording.
Red light. We have red light.
Grey light.
Hello, my name is Pommy. This is the Budgerigar, Trevor. Fascinating little creature, isn't he?
Look at it.
This is the owner of the camera.
Get some sound on
This is the owner of the camera, Tony.
Sorry, hi.
See?
Blink,
Rick.
You little prick.
Okay.
Can be very, very nasty.
There's Trevor again.
Yes, this is Trevor again.
Trevor and
He's trying to
Pommy.
say words, but they're very bad words. Trevor's pooed on my kneecap.
Oh, he has.
What can I say?
Well, I
What
can't
can you
see
say
it.
about it? What can you say, Budgerigar? Oh, yeah. The only trained attack budgie. Ah.
Issue jungle green feathers.
Jungle green feathers, yes. Oh, Mr. Ow! Oh! Oh!
Going aggro.
Oh!
He's going so
Oh,
mad, he's
oh.
even stepping in his little pile of food.
I'm glad he knocked it off my knee. It's a good thing you're quick, or otherwise we'll be dead. Let's go up. This is Pommy's knee. Budgie was sitting on my knee.
See, that probably was a bit blurry there.
Yeah, it's a bit. Now it's a big blur.
Makes you a little blur. It's got everything else into this train to whistle for me, doesn't it?
Not quite enough light in here for this kind of stuff.
Oh, womble on over here, you little prick.
Come on.
There's the bathy. Have a close look at the bathy. I don't know whether you should or not.
Back on my knee again.
And back out. We can have a look at.
Trevor on Pommy's knee.
There's the aftermath rubbish tip. We have a chucks. Probably a wank rag. Little cups.
Red nails.
The Wunder Blunder gun.
Does that record sound as well as it is?
Yeah, it just doesn't play back sound.
So,
We're back with Pommy and Trevor.
Everything we're saying is now turning on stuff.
There's Trevor with his back to us. Hey, Trev.
turn around this way.
Oh,
That is certainly turning around.
there he is.
Mid-air manoeuvre.
Yeah, take it.
He's waiting to go, isn't he?
Come on, up here.
All psyched up, ready for the big kill.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hey, budgie face. Oh,
Turn around that way. That's it. Over this way. Look, you'll be on the camera. On the camera, look. Oh, yes. Stain.
Every turn, every shot. The budgie
Bobby,
on his shoulder.
I was going to say the
Bobby on the budgie shoulder.
Yes, it's Budgie. Watch me kiss him. Watch him bite my nose. Ready? Come on, kiss me. Think about it, dude.
you know, you could probably train him to pick your blackheads out of your nose.
You do realise, of course, everything you're saying is going on there as well.
Yes.
Watch me poke at Trevor. Watch Trevor attack my finger.
Labour's under the delusion that he's really an eagle.
Budgerigars don't do this normally. They run away. But oh no, not you. You little winged creature. Okay, who's this? No. Gently.
And fade out.
What's that, Spider?
What's that?
His Auntie Margaret's.
Yeah, she sent it up in the post, mate.
Kiloed it up.
Jack's Day transfer of video camera.
Big dork. I love
Come on,
Stuart.
Trevor, speak.
Tommy,
Yeah?
why don't you stop?
Why? Oh, the induction system wasn't opened up properly and it was just sucking and sucking and sucking and there was water everywhere and all of a sudden it went. The flat valve went. And I was right there. Right in the heart of the action. He nearly fell over, he ran away so fast. What time do you go and watch, Keith? 7.
What if you played it through the video though?
Oh, yeah. Where's that mongrel bird gone? Actually, can I shrimp you on one, please, Harry? Thank you very much. Coffee or tea, white and one, whatever you're making. Thanks, mate.
I'm shocked. I've actually got a bit of sun.
Nice and good. Nice.
Oh, beautiful. It wasn't warm at all. It wasn't hot enough at all.
Yeah.
Which is lovely.
Let's move Harry back in the zoom. Yeah.
Back at the zoo. Back at the zoo. Hey, no neck.
I'm out of the movie. There we go.
Ah, yes, we're all stars with a camera. Ah, slow picky tin. And that's Keith. Say hello to the camera, Keith.
Hello, camera. I love being on TV.
Everyone likes being on telly. Hey, bird.
All he does with biscuits is make a humongous mess.
Throws them all over the place.
Fuck out of him.
He's got to have some of the strongest neck muscles out of any budgerigar in the history of the world. He can throw food further with his bloody jaw than any other beast I've ever seen.
Hey.
He breaks them into little pieces and throws them around.
And then when they're finally to the point where you can barely see them anymore, he goes around picking them up.
We are the champions.
Ah, yeah, another duck run shot. Turn around. Angle. That's better. Now, say something. Yep. God, you're a dumb budgie. No, that's a sound anyway. Yeah, that's it. Keep throwing pencils and rulers at him, we'll get a sound out of him.
Look at the chunk he's chewing out of it.
He's hanging on to it, it's dragging along.
There's shit all over the place. And with the bird again, the bird trying to get away. So we go, folks.
Ay. Stop it. Now watch this. And he just steps on your hand.
Looks around. Fuck it.
Fuck it, I'm going home.
Everybody's fucking up by moving his ladder and everything.
Well, he's had trouble ever since the bloody front step got taken out. As soon as
He's trying to shut the fucking door himself. Come in.
I'll keep these pricks out. That right, Trev? How do I shut
Very
this
well,
thing?
when he gets in there, shut it. Shut it now.
Big drawbridge.
It's like getting his head stuck in the food door.
I can see. Now shut it.
I wonder if his foot's still giving him trouble at all.
I'd say it's probably always got a weed on.
I doubt it.
How does it focus on Buster? Ready to come back?
It takes a second. It takes a second to readjust his focus, right? As you can see, like you're moving it fairly fast,
yeah.
going from person to person. If you slow it down, it will adjust itself as you go.
Where's the fucking little bird?
Hey?
Ah, getting a duck run shot. Is that what you brought up top, is it?
It's one of the ones.
And now we're getting more training.
Video 8.
Transfer that onto sets or play that on TV.
Got some tapes.
There's Piercy's brew.
You can use that as a video recorder and put that directly in your TV.
There's a packet of Wob Ritz crackers.
Fucking
Or you
nice
can then
too.
tape it straight
And there's
onto,
Buster, the ugliest fucking
tape
bum.
it straight onto a VHS recorder.
And now we're looking at the HMAS SSE.
So that's okay. We've already got the SSXBT, the HMAS gas gun, the brew rack,
How did you get an SSXBT if they're all down the CO2?
fucking chart.
Right. And there's Tony eating a bicky. A cheap as shit Malaysian Wob Ritz cracker.
Hey, Carol,
Style cracker. And there's Trevor's duck run again.
man, so no one else can see. I got a glimpse.
Only because I had to. No one goes out of their way to scrub out. That's the choice, man.
But then again, if it has to be done, you don't avoid it.
to scrub out.
You're giving this a lot of tape,
I
eh?
think I
This is a taped drain down session.
Hang on,
I can't get you in this, Blue. You're too close. There you go. You're in it now, Blue.
We're draining down.
And
You're able to hear this on tape, but no one draining.
hang on, I think I'm filming a murder.
Is it the left or the right?
I'll hold you there.
Oh, look. It's like Caddyshack on the dudes in the pool.
You got this, buddy?
Yeah. No, get the chest out.
It
Yeah, get the chest out.
Yeah, he snuffed it.
You sick bastards.
You can do something about that little growth here you got below your face.